So we are studying in nutrition and dietetics class about protein. In previous class, we discussed about composition of protein and types of amino acids. In that, eight essential amino acids we discussed in detail. Eight essential amino acids we discussed in detail. So today we are going to discuss those amino acids sources. So what are the uses we discussed or functions we discussed? Now we will discuss about the source of amino acids, number one, and number two, functions of amino acids we will discuss. And second thing is dietary source. This source is only eight essential, but other sources, dietary sources, we will discuss. And RDA, recommended daily allowance. So we'll discuss these points. We'll discuss. Hope we will complete uh, protein chapter today. First thing is eight essential amino acids source. What is the source? First is we know that is phenylalanine. First is phenylalanine. Okay. It is important for neurotransmitter. Okay, for neurotransmitter and for structure and functions of proteins. Okay, and enzymes. Okay, so source. So we have two sources, animal source and plant source. So we'll discuss both. Phenylalanine is present in meat, fish, egg, and dairy products like milk, curd, butter, etc. etc. And in plants, you have soy products, okay, nuts and seeds. Most of the nuts and seeds having the amino acids. Whole grains and we have legumes. Okay, legumes. And again, the second important amino acid that is valine. Why valine is important? Because it is for growth, regeneration, and energy production. This is important. So, what is the source? Chicken in the animal source, beef, okay, fish, and dairy products. These are the animal source. Plant source, lentils, chickpeas, soya beans, peanut, and okay, mushroom, whole grains. So whoever have growth problem, regeneration, want to regenerate or to produce energy, you have to take this type of food. If they are non-vegetarian, you can go through that. or if they are vegetarian, go through this type of food. Next important is threonine. Why you need threonine? You need threonine for fat metabolism and immune system. Okay, to function the immune system, to proper function of immune system. So whoever having fat this metabolism, immune system weakness, you have to take this type of food, threonine. Cheese having very, honey means dairy products, poultry means chicken, fish, meat, and eggs. They have means all the chicken, feed, meat, eggs, everything having all types of. Uh, if I will go in short, okay. If we go to all this amino acids, threonine, threonine, they are present in this. Threonine, tryptophan, they are present in cheese, meat, eggs, meat, chicken, beef, dairy products. Tryptophan and isoleucine, it is also present in this. And leucine, it is also present in all this. Lysine, also present all in this. Methionine, okay, methionine. So also is present in soya beans, pumpkin seeds, protein, black beans. So whatever beans are present, they're having lot of amino acid. Number one, you have to add, you have to realize that seeds, okay, all seeds having mostly all the types of amino acids. In the tryptophan, we discussed about tryptophan. In that we have potato. Potato is the only source of tryptophan. Other than that, you have get that in the almonds, cashews, seeds, chia seeds, soya beans. Okay, all this having this tryptophan. Okay, why you need valine? Valine we understood theronin, although tryptophan is for neurotransmitters and to produce vitamin B3. Very important tryptophan. And isoleucine, already you studied about isoleucine for muscle metabolism, immune function, hemoglobin function, and energy regulation. Leucine, okay, to produce synthesis, muscle repair. If any damage of muscle happen, you need to take leucine. So to maintain blood sugar level, leucine. So which is present in the leucine? Leucine also present in all types of animal food and soya beans, lentils, chickpeas, peanuts, almonds, seeds, whole grains. And the lysine. Lysine is important for hormonal balance, enzyme production, and absorption of calcium, and also in immune function, energy production. So lysine is present in meat, eggs, fish, dairy products, soya products, beans, lentils, quinoa, pistachios, pumpkin seeds. Okay. Methionine. Methionine is a to detoxify. To detoxification, we need methionine, and also for metabolism. And it produce power. It is a powerful antioxidant, which has it is glutathione, glutathione, glutathione. It is produced only in the presence of methionine. So if you doesn't take methionine, your detoxification doesn't happen. Where is present? It is present in fish. It is present in poultry, chicken, eggs, dairy products. This is animal source. This is for you need fish. Fish is the very good source of methionine. And other than sesame seed, Brazil nuts, very costly. Brazil nuts are soya products, wheat gram, legumes. So you can use all these plant source if you are a vegetarian. This is for non-vegetarian. Okay. So these are the 8 types of essential amino acids which are present in different food. Now is functions. What is the function of amino acids? First is structural components. So it will, what will do? It will building block of proteins. So you need, if you need bricks to build a building, like our body needs protein to build your muscles, to structure. Okay. So this is very important. Like in the muscles, you need actin myosin. In the muscle, you need actin myosin. These are the proteins. In the bones, you need mineralization, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, etc. In the hair and skin, you need keratin. Keratin also a protein. Okay. So if there is a disturbance of amino acids in the body, so hair also will lose. Hair fall also happens. Skin also doesn't provide that much function, that much structure. So it is very important. Next is for enzyme. Likewise, glutathione we discussed. Uh, so it is very important to production of enzymes. Okay, like for digestion, we need for digestion, for any type of energy production or DNA replication in the meiosis, meiosis, mitosis, whatever happened, DNA replication will happen. So in this process, enzyme are most important. So amino acid lets enzyme deficiency happens. Enzyme deficiency happen, then the problem of genetic disorders may be happen. Okay, digestion issues occurs. Energy production will doesn't have proper. Okay. This third function is for hormonal balance. To maintain hormonal balance, we need proteins. Okay. Next is for immuno function. To maintain immune function properly, to need protein. Okay, amino acids. Next is to transport and storage of energy or nutritions, gases. Okay, so because without amino acids, the function cannot be done. Like in the RBC, we have hemoglobin. In the hemoglobin, we have iron. In the iron, we have ferritin. So ferritin, iron, hemoglobin, RBC. So here it is the connection, is the chain. If anyone is decreased, so the binding of oxygen doesn't happen properly. So to store oxygen, we need amino acids. Very important. And for proper energy source, for functioning of your body, we need protein, amino acids. Okay. So if you doesn't take proper protein, what will happen? Your whatever building blocks happen, so what will happen? The loss of muscle will happen. Loss of muscle will be happen. Okay, if you have in fasting state, in intensive exercise, okay, if you are not consuming amino acid properly, what will happen? Body will uh, take the amino acid from the muscles, and the muscle loss will happen. Weight decreases. Okay, so this is about the function of amino acid. So first function is for structural components to produce the amine enzymes, hormonal balance, immune function, okay, and transport and storage, energy utilization or energy source. Next is dietary source. Dietary source of proteins. So first is meat. Second is you have poultry. Third is fish. All these are non-veg. Fourth is eggs. Fifth is dairy products. So we have five types of non-vegetarian dietary sources of protein. Okay. Like we have meat in the all types of meats are there. So they are rich in complete proteins containing all essential amino acids. Had all essential amino acids. Okay. In meat. Poultry, poultry are chicken, turkey, duck. Okay. These are also high in protein. High in protein. In the fish also you have all types of high quality protein. High quality protein. Like example, you have especially omega-3 fatty acids, very essential for brain. Fatty acids. High quality. Meat having all essential amino acids. Poultry having high in protein. Okay. Fish have high quality. Okay. Uh, Especially in the eggs, we have all essential amino acids. Here also same, and they are protein rich. In the dairy product, you have proteins. Okay. So first option is for fish having high quality, and second is meat, and after that you go through with eggs, and second is the fourth is poultry, and fifth is dairy products. So first is fish, second you go through with meat, third is eggs, fourth is poultry, fifth is dairy products. Okay. These are the dietary source of non-vegetarian. For vegetarian people, if they are also non-vegetarian, you can take vegetarians. Which source? We have legumes. One is legumes, second is grains, third is nuts, fourth is seed, fifth is vegetables. Legumes all like beans, lentils, chickpeas, etc. Okay. They are high in protein and as well as fiber and having nutrients also and minerals. Legumes. Okay. And in the grains, we have brown rice, barley, whole wheat products, etc. Okay. So you will get notable proteins. Notable proteins. In the nuts, nuts are very important. We have good source of protein. Proteins and healthy fats. You can take nuts like almonds, walnut, pistachios, etc. In the seeds, you have chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds. They have protein, required protein, and having omega fatty acids. Very important. Seeds. Vegetable, not all vegetables having protein, but like broccoli, spinach, and Brussels sprouts, olive have sprouts. Vegetables have high protein. Okay. So these are the sources. So first you go through with nuts. Very important. I go with nuts. because they have good source of protein as well as healthy fat. Second, in my opinion, like is legumes. Third is greens. Fourth is seeds. Fifth is vegetables. So nuts, dry fruits like almonds, okay, walnuts, pistachios, etc. having very good amount of protein and has healthy fat. Okay. So these are the sources of protein in a vegetable and non-veg. Now, how much amount of daily required protein for our body? So basically, it is varies to age, male or female, okay, activity level, okay. But according to as the RDA general guidelines, what are the general guidelines? According to general guidelines, we have 1 kg 1 gram, 1 kg 1 gram. So if you are 50 kgs on the daily basis, you require 50 grams of protein. This is very important. Okay. So if your active level is high, so you can add 10 grams per man, 5 grams per woman. Okay, extra add. Okay. Other than that, we have pregnant women. For pregnant women, if you have 70 kgs, you need to 70 plus 15 grams extra. Lactating women, if it is 70 kgs, 70 plus 25 grams extra. Okay. So this is very important. So this is the according to RDS, but according to ICMR, we have different also for man minimum required 60, for woman required minimum required 50 grams of protein, as well as pregnant women. I told you that 50 plus 15, lactating women 50 plus 25. For children's minimum 2.5 grams per kg. If there is 12 kgs baby, you required 25 grams. Okay, for children, they required from 1 age to 9 years, required 30 grams of protein. Okay, from 10 years to 12 years, 41 grams. 12 to 15 years, 54 grams. More 15 to 18 years, 70 grams. Because okay, as age is going out, they required more protein for growth. For girls, 10 to 12 years, 57 grams. 13 to 15, 57 or 60 grams. Okay. For adult, minimum 50 grams required. 50 to 60 grams for women. Men, 60 grams. So I will advise that if according to the age, you will go through that box, but according to age, weight, you will go through the weight, add 10 to the men, 10, add 5 to the women. Normally. Okay. So this is the RDA, recommended daily allowance of protein. So these are the different types of amino acids we discussed. So why they required in our body we discussed. What are the sources of different types of amino acid we discussed, and dietary products like animal source and plant source we discussed, and what is the recommended daily allowance of protein we discussed. So this is all about protein like carbohydrates. We discussed about protein. Next in coming class, we'll discuss about fat because fat is also very important to our body. Any doubts, kindly ask.